The second step, as we have discussed in the first step, it is carding. We have got the figures here. What is the how the procedure of carding takes place? So carding, wire brushes, and and from that wire brushes, that yarn will become sliver. That cotton, ginned cotton, it becomes slivers, and that slivers are still put it in the revolving cylinders. Like they're like. Threads and all these things. This is the carding procedure. Then spinning rollers. First this is the process, then goes to spinning, and in spinning they become rollers, and then finally comes out yarn. Next one, second procedure, dyeing the yarn. Some fabrics, cloth, I told you fabrics are cloth, are woven. It's not woven. It's some fabrics are woven and then dyed. Means first they are woven and then dyed. But denim is usually dyed with chemically synthesized indigo before being woven. So it is dyed with, dyed means printed, D-Y-E-D, dyed means printed with synthesized indigo before being woven. Large balls of yarn called ball warps we call them as, are dipped in the indigo mixture several times so that the dye covers the yarn in layers. These many layers of indigo dye explain why blue jeans fade slightly with each washing. So blue jeans will fade slightly with each washing. Why? What is the reason? Means this blue jean, this dipped in the indigo mixture several times so that the dye covers these many layers of indigo. Due to many layers of indigo dyeing with many layers of indigo, blue jeans, whenever we wash, it faded with each washing. The dyed yarn is then slashed. That is, it is coated with the sizing. Slashed means coated with sizing. That is any one of a variety of starchy substance like what we use starch. Then after dyeing that yarn, they put the starch substance to make the threads stronger and stiffer. Once this operation is complete, the yarn threads are ready to be woven with undyed filling yarn threads. This is the weaving procedure, dyeing, yarn, dye wat, and weaving procedure, woven cloth. This takes place in the dyeing the yarn. Next comes weaving the yarn. What is this procedure? The third procedure. The yarn is then woven on large mechanical looms, machines. Mechanical looms means machines. Denim is not 100% blue. As the blue, denim is not what we expect, that denim is not 100% blue, it seems. As the blue dyed threads forming the warp, I told you warp means balls, long balls. Long vertical threads are combined with white threads, forming the weft. Weft is one more new word which has come. Shorter, horizontal, forming threads. Weft means very shorter, horizontal threads. So denim is not 100% blue, it seems, in the beginning, but due to dyeing that with many threads forming the warp and the weft, that becomes very blue. Because denim is woven with the blue threads packed closer together than the white threads, and with the blue threads covering 3 out of 4 white threads, the blue color dominates. Due to this procedure, the blue color dominates. Otherwise, denim is not completely in blue color. Although mechanical looms make use of the same basic weaving procedure as a simple hand loom, they are much larger and faster. This is the point of weaving the yarn. At this point, the denim is ready for finishing. The cloth is brushed to remove loose threads and lint, and the denim is usually skewed in a way that will prevent it from twisting when it is made into clothing. The denim may then be sanforized or pre-shrunk. Pre-shrunk denim should shrink no more than 3% after 3 washings. This is the process of weaving the yarn. So first one, yarn, making the yarn, and the second one, first one is carding procedure, and the third This one is weaving the yarn. Then making the blue jeans. Once the desired design is selected, patterns from the design are cut from heavy paper or cardboard. Up to 80 different sizes are possible from one pattern. So what is the last procedure? Making the blue jeans. The pieces of denim are then cut with high-speed cutting machines from stacks, 100 layers thick. Excluding rivets, buttons, and zippers, a pair of blue jeans contains about 10 different pieces, like the pockets, the leg panels, the waistband, and the belt loops. The pieces of denim are ready to be sewn. It's not sewn, it's sewn. It's sewn at this point. Sewing is done in stitching is done in an assembly line fashion, uniform fashion, with the rows of industrial human-operated sewing machine. Each assembly line worker is assigned a specific function, such as making only back pockets. First, the various pockets and belt loops are assembled. Next, one worker attaches the pockets to the leg seams, and another then sews the leg seams together, and still another attaches the other procedure. So another attaches the waistband. Once the waistband is secure, the belt loops may be stitched on and the buttons attached. If the jeans include a zipper, it is then sewn into place and the pants are hemmed. Finally, the rivets are placed in the appropriate places and then maker's label is sewn on later. Sewn on last. Some jeans are pre-washed and are stone-washed to alter the appearance or texture of the finished jeans. Pre-washing involves washing the jeans in industrial detergent for a short time to soften the denim. Stone washing also means washing the jeans, but pumice is added to the load, resulting into a faded appearance. Small stones produce an even abrasion, while large stones highlight the seams and pockets and produce a more uneven appearance. The completed pair of blue jeans is then pressed. They are placed into a large pressing machine that steam irons the entire garments at once in about a minute. A size tag is punched into the material and the jeans are folded, stacked and placed in boxes according to style, color and size before being sent to the warehouse for storage. This is the process of making the blue jeans, but it's not completed. And last, we have one more process called quality control. Blue jeans are inspected after they are completed. If a problem can be corrected, the jeans are sent back for resewing. The pair is then inspected again and passed. The buttons are inspected to ensure that they and the buttonholes are of the proper size. Metal buttons and rivets are checked to ensure that their durability and their ability to withstand rust. The zippers must be strong enough to withstand the greater pressures of heavy cloth, and the durability of their teeth must be checked as well. This is done by subjecting a sample zipper to a lifetime of opening and closing. So this is the process of making the blue jeans. So blue jeans has blue jeans, how we have studied about how they were invented, how the denim cloth has come. It has an unusual history. We have studied all those things. It has come from Serge de Nines, a city in the southern France. And we have studied how the rivets have come, how different changes have been made. And then we studied about raw materials being made and manufacturing of denim cloth. That is, this cloth is, manufacturing of denim cloth is done in 3 processes. Preparing the cotton yarn is the first step, and dyeing the yarn. In preparing the cotton yarn, it undergoes, to become yarn, it undergoes carding procedure and spinning procedure. And in second process is dyeing the yarn. How, with what are the cloths, that is indigo, synthesized indigo. With that, they dye that, and then it is slashed. That is the second procedure of weaving. Then weaving the yarn, it comes with different materials, then making the blue jeans, and then comes quality control to make it the best of to make it the best. Now choose the correct answers. Denim was originally made of first it was made of wool, later it was made of wool and cotton, and then later it was made of only cotton. So answer is only wool. Levi Strauss thought of making pants from denim for whom? That is the second option. That is for mining workers. Levi Strauss thought of that. What is gent cotton? Gent cotton is cotton which has been picked from fields and processed. That is the second one. Coming to D. Blue jeans fade slightly with each washing because, what is the reason of blue jeans fading slightly? Because they are pre-shrunk many times. So now there are stages, different stages in manufacturing jeans. Arrange them in the right sequence. This all we can learn. This is about blue jeans, and we have vocabulary part after this blue jeans part.